share with us the significance of what you're doing with your beautiful sculptural piece?
Sure. Because it's a major piece from one tribal person to another tribe. And I believe my pieces have life in them, and they're coming as a blessing and as a connection between the tribes. And so I brought something of protection for this journey here and for the longevity of goodwill between us and protection for all the tribes. And then when I got here, I was actually of course, we have to go say hello to the ocean, so I went and say hello to the ocean. While I was saying hello to the ocean, a woman came up to me and said, here, and gave me this, so that to me was a sign of I had been received on this end. So I placed this and the arrowhead from home under her to be medicine for her and for our connection.
That's so beautiful. Thank you so much. You know, on behalf of our tribe, Rincon Band of Luiseño Indians, Roxanne is bringing us a true treasure and a blessing that will be here forever. And I think that moments like this, when it comes to art and culture, what separates us from really everyone as far as being indigenous people is our culture. It is the fact that we're maintaining and holding on to our culture. And you've done such a beautiful job to represent this Luiseño woman grinding, which was our substance, which is acorns, our we wish, and then teaching her child how to continue on in that tradition. So it's really beautiful. And let's lift it up so she can put these beautiful elements underneath her child.
Okay, where do you want to put it?
On the side? It needs to go up like that high.
Roxanne, can you hold it up just so we can...
Okay, so... Need somebody to hold it on this side so that you don't want to burn it. Get this side.
You want to get on your side? Yeah.
George was
All right, let's go very slowly. Just watch your hands. Very slow. This little one is